Having a bleed kit available in your car or in your workplace or at home is great, but also you want to make sure that people know about it. So if you're running a business and you've got a bleed kit, you want to make sure that people are aware that that bleed kit's in there. So if someone did get stabbed on the street, they would know to come and get that kit from you. We've got two signs here. One is a sign that can go on the outside or the inside of a building, and you can actually get a permanent pen and write on here to show the exact location. So for example, we could put one of these in our office windows and it would show exactly where the bleed kit is situated. And the other version is a car sign. So it actually just tells you that this vehicle is fitted with a kit. So if you did see somebody with one of these stickers, it's easier to identify that that person has got a bleed kit. The whole point of having these bleed kits out in the community is to make sure that people know they're there, and having these signs is the perfect solution. So if you're after the stickers or the signs, you can get those directly from the ProTraining's website or on firstaidonline.co.uk or direct from the For Jody project.